Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best LED lights for your kitchen under cabinet is probably one of the most versatile and impactful upgrades you can make to your cooking space, transforming a dimly lit or uninspired area into a bright, functional, and aesthetically pleasing environment that not only enhances your ability to prepare meals with precision but also adds a touch of modern elegance and sophistication to your home's overall ambience, making every culinary endeavor a more enjoyable and visually appealing experience. Number 5. Brilliant Evolution Wireless LED Puck Light. These lights install in seconds using adhesive or screws. They are perfect for under cabinets, closets, and any dim space. Easily control the brightness and turn them on or off with the included remote. You can even set a timer for automatic shut-off. Set the timer for 15, 30, 60, or 120 minutes. You can also tap the lens for instant on-off when the remote is not handy. These lights provide warm white illumination, enhancing visibility in kitchens, bathrooms, or offices. Enjoy soft yet powerful lighting. Running on batteries, these lights are designed for extended use. They are ideal for everyday lighting in busy areas. What we like? This option offers incredibly easy installation, perfect for those who want quick lighting solutions. The convenient remote control and adjustable timer make it ideal for anyone looking for hassle-free operation. If you need simple, reliable lighting for cabinets or closets without complex setup, this is a great choice. What people say. The lights are very bright and illuminate the entire countertop. Easy to install and the adhesive is strong. The slim design fits perfectly under the cabinets without being noticeable. Number 4. Brilliant Evolution Stick-on Push Lights. Introducing Brilliant Evolution Stick-on Push Lights, the perfect lighting solution for any space. Enjoy quick and easy installation with adhesive or screws, providing instant wireless illumination. Control these lights effortlessly with the included remote. Adjust the brightness to create the perfect ambience for your kitchen, closet, or shelf areas with just a simple touch. Turn them on or off with a simple tap, or utilize the timer function for 15, 30, 60, or 120 minutes. These lights offer flexible and convenient lighting options. Experience a warm white LED glow that lasts up to 4 times longer than other brands. They provide ideal lighting without the need for any wiring, ensuring a clean look. These battery-powered lights are incredibly versatile. Use them as under-cabinet lights, night lights, or bookshelf lighting, perfect for any indoor space with their compact, wireless design. What we like? Get more for your money with this pack of 6 lights, offering excellent value. The remote control and adjustable brightness provide a customizable lighting experience. If you're looking to illuminate multiple areas or need a cost-effective solution with extended battery performance, this set is a fantastic option. What people say. The lights are very bright and illuminate the entire countertop. Easy to install with the included adhesive strips. The slim design blends seamlessly with the cabinets. Number 3. WOBANE Under Cabinet LED Lighting Kit. Introducing the WOBANE Under Cabinet LED Lighting Kit. This versatile lighting solution is perfect for enhancing the ambience of any space in your home. With 6 pre-cut strips totaling 9.8 feet, you can easily customize the layout to fit your cabinets, closets, desks, and more. It's a great way to give your furniture a fresh, modern look. Experience super bright lighting with a total of 1,500 lumens. You can easily adjust the brightness to your preference using the included RF dimmer, ensuring the perfect light level for any task. Control your lighting from up to 60 feet away with the 17-key RF remote. It offers convenient features like timing off, dimming, and dynamic lighting effects. Designed with safety in mind, these lights operate on a low DC 12V voltage, producing minimal heat. The high-quality adapter ensures reliable performance, and the LED strips are built to last. Installation is a breeze with the included accessories. Simply clean the surface, stick on the lights, and connect. No tools or screws are needed, protecting your furniture. What we like? Experience super bright, adjustable lighting with these versatile LED strips. The DIY connection options allow for a truly customized setup to fit any space. If you're looking for a powerful and adaptable lighting solution for larger areas or want to create a specific ambience, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The lights are very bright and illuminate the entire countertop. Easy to install with the included adhesive strips. The slim design fits perfectly under the cabinets without being obtrusive. Number 2. Brilliant Evolution 0.9 Ultra-Thin Wireless Lights. Set up your new lights in just minutes using the included adhesive or screws. They're perfect for providing bright, simple illumination anywhere you need it, like in your kitchen, bookshelves, or pantry. Turn your lights on and off with just a gentle touch. This versatile light bar gives you instant access and easy control whenever you need light in your kitchen, closet, or on your counters. Never worry about leaving the lights on again. With built-in auto-off options, you can customize the duration for storage areas, pantries, or any dark corner in your home. Enjoy a warm white glow that provides the perfect amount of brightness for your kitchen, garage, or workspace. These lights deliver 65 lumens without the need for any hardwiring. These lights are incredibly slim and lightweight, running on just 3 AA batteries. Their cordless and portable design makes them ideal for temporary setups or areas without easy access to power outlets. What we like? These ultra-thin lights are incredibly discreet and easy to use, featuring convenient tap control. Their portable design makes them perfect for temporary lighting needs or areas without easy access to power. If you value a sleek look and instant, on-demand lighting without any fuss, this is the one to consider. What people say. The lights are very bright and illuminate the entire countertop. Easy to install with the included adhesive strips. The slim design fits perfectly under the cabinets without being obtrusive. Number 1. My Beauty Light White LED Strip Lights. Introducing our premium LED strip lights, designed to bring ultra-bright, natural white light to any indoor space. They illuminate dark areas like kitchens and bedrooms, ensuring true color representation. Easily customize your lighting experience with stepless dimming. Simply long press the button to achieve the perfect brightness for any setting, whether it's for your mirror, TV, or under cabinet. These lights are incredibly flexible, made with a bendable FPCB board. You can shape them to fit any corner or surface, making installation a breeze no matter your needs. Installation is straightforward. Clean the surface, stick the strip, trim if needed, and secure with the included clips. Plug it in, and enjoy instant illumination. Rest assured, these lights are safe to use. They feature ETL and FCC approved power supply with short circuit prevention and low heat emission, ensuring your peace of mind. To ensure the best performance, avoid excessive bending or sharp objects. Handle with care in cold weather to prevent static damage to the LED chips. What we like? This extra long, flexible LED strip offers continuous, customizable lighting for extensive areas. The stepless dimming feature allows for precise brightness control, creating the perfect mood. If you're looking to add a dramatic lighting effect to large spaces, like behind a TV or along extensive countertops, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The lights are very bright and illuminate the entire countertop. Easy to install with the included adhesive strips. The slim design fits perfectly under the cabinets without being obtrusive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.